Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use a reward code in Monopoly Go. First, you want to make sure that you have the app installed on your phone and open it. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three bars. Tap on them. And then from there, you have to select the Typhoon Club menu. It's not appearing right now on my end. That's totally fine. The screen may look different, but don't worry, it's normal. Especially for first-time users. What you have to do is just simply connect your account into your Facebook or your email. And then another option that we have is you can open your browser, close the game, open your browser, and go to the official Monopoly Go reward code website. And then from here, you have to log in using your account. Tap the three bars on the top right, and now you'll see an option for reward codes like this. Simply enter the reward code you found from events, promotions, or official sources and hit confirm. If it's valid, the rewards will be instantly added to your account. And that's it. That's how you apply reward codes in Monopoly Go. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.